Welcome to Aviemore. Welcome to day 85. It's a lovely day to be out, but it's very windy. It's very windy. Let's keep going, Frank. La Taverna, established in 1976. So I thought I'd return back to Aviemore. I was here on Saturday, just too busy. I didn't really feel comfortable filming families and everyone out enjoying themselves. Probably something I'll have to get used to if I go to Florida or California. But on this occasion, I just took little snapshots of the Harley Davidson bikes just going by. So I'm just following this path. I'm going to go to my left. Never followed this path before. I know roughly where it goes to. It'll take me back to McDonald Resort area. It's only a couple of kilometres. Just nice to discover. Little hidden parks. There's a park just behind me. Just tucked away. A really quiet little park. I think it's just behind the High Range Motel. Yeah, a little children's park. How nice. So to my right, I'm following the path for Craigellachie National Nature Reserve. And to my left hand side, a building that I knew was here but didn't really know what it was. Hostel in Scotland. Youth hostel. I've never saw this sign before. Craigellachie National Nature Reserve. I always try to find this path which leads you underneath the A9. Let's go and take a little wander. Craigellachie National Nature Reserve. Follow Craigellachie's trails and you'll discover a grand mix of towering crags, mature birchwood and tree fringed lochs. This is definitely something for another day. I'm glad I found it though. This is something I'll definitely have to go and look at again. Never been here. It's amazing, isn't it, that you think you know an area so well. Then you go under a tunnel that passes underneath the A9. And you're in a whole new area. There's a path up to my left, and I'm going to follow this path just round the duck pond. I think this would take you to the top of Craigellachie. Definitely something I'll have to do. I'm hopefully try and do it before the 100 days of running is over. Maybe early in the morning. See what kind of view you get from the top. It looks quite high up there. But I need to finish this run. And also, I need to shave. But I want time to actually explore it properly. It's quite cloudy today. I'm only planning maybe doing 3.5k, which I know doesn't sound a lot, but as I've always said, it's just going out and doing it, just one step at a time. So yeah, definitely Craigellachie, I'm definitely coming back, but next time I'm bringing my dogs. I love this little building, just tucked away, and I think last time it just took me by surprise. It's amazing, isn't it, that you think you know a place really well, and you find something like this, just tucked away, quietly getting ready for winter and Christmas. There's nothing too exciting happening. It's only day 85, but I haven't really done Aviemore justice. Out of the 100 days, I haven't done as deep a dive as I thought I was going to do. I've been out exploring little bits and realised there's so much more to it. You think maybe it's just Grampian Road and just in Main Street the retail park is. But today I found where the Craigellachie Nature Walk begins, underneath the A9. And I knew it was somewhere, but in my mind's eye I didn't really know what it was. So I found that today. And that's definitely something that I'm going to revisit. And I found Santa's little red house too, which always makes me smile. But talking about make me smile, there's a lady and 3 dogs waiting for me. Definitely need more time. Aviemore's so much bigger, so much more beautiful, so much more going on. I'm going this way. So day 85 is done. Just a short 3k around Aviemore. Definitely have to come back. Definitely have to give it proper time. But day 85 is done. And my friends, I'll see you tomorrow.